Hi viewers, I welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, you know very well, I'm Ashok, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, from the College of KCS Kasinada, Arts and Science. So, in this video, I have taken the topic of industrial relation and labor welfare. In this video, I'm going to explain the meaning of trade union, then who has defined the trade union, then what are the functions are doing by the trade union, then what is the features are have by the had by the trade union. So let's see one by one. First one is meaning of trade union. So trade union is any combination, whether temporary or permanent, are formed primarily for the purpose of regulating the relation between the workman and employers, or between workman and workman, or between employers and the employers. So simply we can say that trade union, it is a form of, it is a group which was formed by the all the employees, and it is formed for the main purpose of to protecting and safeguarding and to regulating the employers needs and wants. So to satisfy the needs and wants in every factory or every industry, there is a union, there is a trade union is there. So in the trade union, all the employees, their demands and wants and concerns are being solved. If any one of all the employees are should be compulsory, or it is procured to join in any one of trade union for their future welfare and other things. So trade union is must for every industry, and it is a bridge between the management as well as employees. And here it is being stated that trade union, it is a permanent or temporary. So most probably in all industry it might be a permanent uh, trade union or temporary trade union, like that. So in Tamil Nadu there are different types of trade unions are there. We can see that railway trade union, auto trade union, then bus trade union, then there are different types of the service industry, or they have a different set of trade union for them for their laborers or employees. Okay, so the trade union is doing the functions of, they are making the relationship between the workman and employer. So is a workman is a labor or a salary employed or any person. So it is being a relationship between the employee or workman between the employers. Okay, so employer is a superior person. Okay, so he is the owner of the person. Okay, or between the workman and workman, suppose one workman is having a problem with another workman, it will be solved by the trade union. Then between employers and employees, suppose all the employers or can be arranged, can form a trade union, and it is for imposing restrictive condition on the conduct of any trade or business, and includes any federation of two or more trade unions can join together and they are working for their employees. Definition of trade union. So first, before going to see the definition of trade union, so just look at this picture. Just see all the in the industry there are different set of employees are there. If they are joined together, so it will be coming under one hand. It shows that one hand. So it is these all the hands are joined together, and it will be single hand. It is called as trade union. So all the employers or all the laborers are joined together, it is called a trade union. So among the employees, one person will be selected, then he will be called as a trade union leader. Okay, he will be the right person to guiding the people in the correct way between the management and the employees. So if anything is required or demand for from the employer side, that will be solved. It can be a facility or amenities or anything, it should be provided by the trade union. They are speaking with the management. Okay, so here we can see the meaning of trade union. According to Daly order, he has defined as a trade union is a continuous association of wages earners. Okay, so trade union is a continuous association. It's going to be continued for the purpose of overall wages earning. So overall wages earning, it is nothing but the weekly employees or weekly laborers or daily wages peoples are coming under this trade union. Okay, for the purpose of maintaining or improving the condition of their working lives. So this trade union is help to maintain or improving condition for the working lives. So around the industry or around the employee working environment, everything should be more protected and safeguard for their employees. So that is the purpose only the trade unions are being arranged. So this is what is being stated that Mr. Daily Order. Okay, I think so you got an idea about definition of trade union. So with that conclude that it is a form of labor. So okay, form of labor is called as a trade union. To continue with the definition of trade union, here we can say that the growth and development of the labor movement, and for that part of the trade union. So as an employee, if he want to grow and develop himself, he should compulsory join in any one of trade union. So trade union is being one part of the employee background. Okay, in India. Okay, it can be divided into following periods, each of them revealing different tendencies that mark it in from others. Okay, it can be differ from one another's. So this is what the definition of trade union. Let's see what is the functions of trade union. As a trade union, how it is being functioned, what are the functions they are doing for their management as well as the employee for their own purpose. So என்னென்ன function one by one பார்க்கலாம். So first function is to secure fair wages for every worker. So as the employees are expecting that I need a fair wages or minimum wages for what I have worked for the company or industry. So I need to get a fair wages for my work. So that is the first function it is being do by the trade union. The second one is to safeguard the security or ensure and improve condition of service. So it is being safeguard the employees security of his or her job is being more secured. Function is doing by management or ensure, it is nothing but what is the period of time is going to be work for the company, and it is being improved for the condition of work. So condition of work is nothing but how he is going to be working in the particular industry, whether it is eligible to work for every employee. So that is also one of the function is doing by trade union. Next one is to enlarge opportunities for promotion and training. Suppose in any kind of, if any employee is underskilled or he need a training and development for his work, that should be also provided by the trade union for this promotion and training purpose. The next one is to improve working and living condition. So trade union is doing another function of making the working environment more effectively, and it is more conveniently for their trade union employee. Next one is to cooperate and facilitate technological advancement by broadening the understanding of workers in the issue involved in their job. Suppose any employees are facing any kind of issue, that issue will be immediately solved by the trade union. To be continued with the functions of trade union, another one is to provide for educational, cultural and recreational facilities. Suppose in during the mid of the time or 3 months once or 6 months once, based upon that time, so as a trade union can conduct an educational program for their employees, and they can make a cultural program like a Pongal celebration, Deepavali celebration, Muslim functions and other things can be do that. Then recreational facilities. Suppose employees are feeling that more stressed, more under emotional like that, so if they can arrange a recreational facility also, they can be arranged for their to reduce the stress for the employee. Next one is to promote identify of interest of the workers with their industry. So in a trade union can identify who is the employee is being more interested to work in an industry. He can be appreciated in the form of money as well as monetary and non-monetary point of view. The next function is the trade union is doing the functions of it is responsive cooperation in improving level of production and productivity, discipline and high standard of quality. So trade union, it is doing one more responsible function. It is nothing but the level of production and productivity. The trade unions are joined together if they have decided to improve the production as compared to previous or last month. They can be developed by promoting their employees, and they can involve the discipline activities, and they are making the employees to perform in well and good. Okay, then and high standard of quality, they can make the product in the form of high quality product which is being more appreciated by the management. The next last functions of management is the trade union is promoting individual and collective welfare. So promotion of individual, so is going to be promote every individual at the right time, and it is being collective welfare. So collective welfare is being arranged for the employees. Suppose in a factory drinking water facility or latrine or urinary facility is not available, so the trade union is going to meet the management, then they are collecting welfare for their employees. Features of trade union. So features or characteristics of trade union. What are the functions? Sorry, what is the features? What is the characteristics of trade union? The main characteristics of trade unionism are here. So most probably in industry, trade union, it is a small size of membership. Okay, if it is depends upon the particular industry. If in a factory, 1,000 number of employees are working, the trade union size will be a large one. Suppose in an industry only 100 employees or 150 employees are working, they are forming a small kind of trade union only. Then next one, lack of adequate finance. Most probably in every trade union, they are lagging for finance. They need a finance support from the management. Next one is non-fulfillment of welfare scheme. Most probably, suppose the small trade union size was very small, so they can't fulfill their employee welfare. Okay, they need a finance, they need a support, they need a welfare for to satisfy the employee. So most probably in small size of trade unions are non they are failed to fulfill their employees welfare scheme. Then so another one is most control of political parties. Most probably in every 2D trade unions are back and political parties are being will be controlled for them. Suppose if they want to do any kind of strike or lockout, it will be automatically influenced by the political parties. So this is also one of the big. It is being controlled by the political parties. So they can't think their own self, so they have to follow the what is the management is they telling, what is the political parties they have said that, so that is also they have to be followed by the trade union. Another one is outside interference in the activities of labor union. Most probably they are working for the inside the factory, so sometimes only they will be working for the outside of the factory in the activities of labor trade union. I trade union, yes ma'am. Thank you for watching my video. I think so you have got an idea about what is the meaning of trade union, then functions, then definition, and what is the features of trade union. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video.